Here's how to use Adobe ZII on Mac. First is search Adobe ZII Mac on any website or browser that you have, and then click on the website where you can download the Adobe ZII patcher for Mac OS. You have to look for the 2025 or the latest version. Afterwards, click on the free download so you can download it on your device, or click on the download options that you can see under the Adobe Patcher 2025 version. And then remember that you have to update your browser first so you can successfully download it on your device. As for me, since I am using a mobile phone, it is very hard to work on me. So the most advice here is to use your PC if you're downloading it. And then afterwards, you can now go ahead and click on the download on App Store, because you can also download the Adobe ZII. So it is fast and easy to use. Download it first before using it.